Here is a frozen Greek yogurt bark infused with thyme and lemon honey. This makes 4 servings and takes approximately 45 minutes to prepare. Ingredients first. 2 cups of frozen Greek yogurt. 3 tablespoons of honey. 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme leaves. Zest of 1 lemon. 1 cup of shelled pistachios, chopped. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of flaky sea salt. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Take 2 cups of frozen Greek yogurt from the freezer and let it rest at room temperature for 5 minutes so it softens slightly. Break the slightly softened frozen yogurt into large chunks and put the pieces into a medium mixing bowl. In a small saucepan, combine 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme leaves, and the zest of 1 lemon. Warm the honey mixture over low heat for 2 minutes while stirring gently. Then remove it from the heat and let it steep for 15 minutes to infuse the thyme and lemon. After 15 minutes, strain the infused honey through a fine mesh sieve into a small bowl, pressing the thyme to extract its flavor. Stir 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the bowl with the yogurt chunks to add aroma. Line a small baking tray with parchment and spread the yogurt evenly to about 1 centimeter thick. Sprinkle half of the chopped pistachios and a light pinch of flaky sea salt over the yogurt surface. Drizzle half of the strained thyme and lemon-infused honey evenly over the yogurt. Place the tray in the freezer and freeze for at least 30 minutes so the bark firms up. Remove the tray from the freezer and break the frozen yogurt into pieces. Sprinkle the remaining pistachios and the zest of 1 lemon on top. Drizzle the remaining infused honey and finish with a light pinch of flaky sea salt. Serve the pieces immediately or store them in an airtight container in the freezer. Enjoy this frozen Greek yogurt infused with thyme and lemon honey. Now we'll finish preparing the recipe. Ingredient 20. Add it as listed in the recipe.